Good morning, students. How was your night? You can see I've not been really sleeping this time around because of you. And I'm not really impressed with the feedback I'm getting concerning your assignments. Try as much as possible to always attempt your assignments. That is why you are a student. And I told you the secret of knowing maths is solving it every day. Don't forget. Yesterday we talked about how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices. So today we are going to look at how to solve problem involving equal matrices. That's the first objective today. We are going to look at how to solving problem involving equal matrices. The second objective we have today is how to find the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. So let's look at what do we mean by equal matrices. First objective, solve problems involving equal matrices. The second one, find the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. So what do we mean by equality of matrices? Two matrices are said to be equal if their corresponding elements are the same, if they have the same size. For example, if you have a matrix A which is 2 by 2, let's look at it. If you have a matrix A which is 2 by 2, let's say A is equal to A, B, C, D. This is 2 by 2. And matrix B is X, Y, Z, T. So this is 2 by 2. You can see they have the same order. So they are said to be equal if my A is going to be equal to my X. You can see A is in first row, first column. It's going to be equal to X, which is also in what? First row, first column. My B equals to my Y. My C equals to my Z. My D equals to my T. Do you get that now? So when you have two matrices, you can say they are equal if their corresponding elements are the same. Are you getting it now? They are equal. So now let's look at how to solve problem under it. You want to find the value of A and B. Now to find the value of A and B, you can see this. What I have is find the value of A and B for which this matrix times this matrix is equals to this matrix. So when you have this times this, so you need to obey your multiplication by. So we first solve. Let's look at the solution. We solve this. We want to find the value of A and B in this. So let's see the solution. I have 3 times A. Don't forget how we multiply. So we say 3 times A. You have 3 times A plus 2 times 4. Do you get that now? Using the first row to multiply the second column, you will say 3 times 5 plus 2 times B. The next one, minus 1 times A plus 4 times 4, followed by minus 1 times 5 plus minus 1 times 5 plus 4 times B. So I will have equals to what I have here, 2, 21, 18, 7. So the next thing I'm going to do is to multiply this out. So what I have is 3 times A is 3A plus 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 times B, that's 2B. Minus 1 times A will give me minus A. 4 times 4, 16. Minus 1 times 5 will give me minus 5. 4 times B plus 4B equals to 2, 21, 18, 7. So now don't forget what I told you, that equal matrix, they are corresponding words. elements are what? Are equal. So for this now, the corresponding, you say this is equals to this. Now let's look at the corresponding element. This is 3a plus 8. This 3a plus 8 will be equals to this 2. 15 plus 2b will be equals to 21. Minus a plus 16 will be equals to 18. Minus 5 plus 4b will be equals to 7. So that is how we proceed our solution. So let's look at this. So therefore, I have 3a plus 8 equals to 2. So using you can use the first row. You can see I have a here and I have b here. So I can use the first row to get my a and b. Alternatively, you can use the second row to get your a and b also. So what I need is 3a plus 8 equals to 2. From here, I have that if I take this to the other side, I have that it implies that 3a is equals to 2 minus 8. Therefore, 3a is equals to minus 6. A is equals to minus 6 over 3. A is equals to minus 2. Do you see that now? So also, if I take the 15 plus 2b equals to 21, I will solve for b here. What will I have? I will have 2b equals to 21 minus 15. 2b equals to 21 minus 15 will give me 6. b is equals to 6 all over 2. b is equals to 3. Do you see that now? So my b is equals to 3. My a is equals to minus 2. Do you get that now? So we have gotten what we are asked to find. We are asked to find a and b. So this is gotten using what? The first row. Using the first row. Let me use another marker. Using the first row. You can see I use the first row. This is the first row here. So I can also use the second row. Using the second row, I will have minus 16 plus minus 8 plus 16 equals to 18. I will have minus 5 plus 4b equals to 7. So you can try this on your own as classwork. Try this using the second row. You will see that we still get the same answer. So that is how to find the value of a and b. I will send this now. I will proceed.